Hey Bexners, in BX English in a minute. I'm Mohib from Bexen English, and today I'm gonna show you the difference between by, in, and on with transportation. Let's get started. We can use by when talking about general ways to travel and with all types of transport, like by car, by train, by plane. For example, she's going to the market by bike. In this sentence, we use bike directly after by. Only one exception, on foot. We can use in and on in specific transport vehicles. If you must sit inside, we can use in a car, in a taxi. If you can stand or walk, we can use on a train, on a plane. Thank you for your time. Ahmed Mohi.